There's that resolution recently passed by senators. What's the implication of that? May bearing po ba talaga yan sa magiging proceeding decision ng ICC? Is the ICC obligated to even consider that resolution passed by Philippine senators?
Okay, number one, Pauline, it has no, I think that has no effect on ICC proceedings because it has to be filed before the ICC. I don't know if the Philippine Senate will actually file it before the ICC. Number two, in any case, whatever the presupposition, yung mga whereas clauses ng Senate Resolution 144 na international human rights law, nag-cite pa ng Article 10 ng ICCPR, ginagawa na po yan ng ICC. Hindi na po natin kailangang i-remind yung ICC kasi ni-implement po yan. Isipin natin, international court po ang ICC. Therefore, international human rights standards po ang ina-apply ng ICC. And third, to be very candid, if you look at the resolution, it asks for a house arrest. Actually, a house arrest is not provided for in the Rome Statute, and I'll be very candid, a house arrest is really a Philippine domestic political euphemism for special treatment as to any political detainees. And I really see that as an issue of fairness because remember, in the ICC, wala po silang tinitingnang politika. It's only a judicial body. It is a judicial body that only looks at the facts, the evidence, and the law.
So, imbento lang pala sa Pilipinas yung house arrest na yun.
Opo, para mga comfortable. Euphemism po natin yan sa Pilipinas pero wala pong ganyan sa ICC.